Hello friends, now we have the grammar tutorials. Today we will do WH questions in future progressive or future continuous tense. Now you see, once again I would like to call your attention to all the WH words in English. Let's begin with what. First one is what, then what is the next one? What, then when, 3 where, for which, 5 when, 6 why, and 7 who, 8 whose, 9 whom, 10 how. And then we have what? 11 how far for distance, 12 how long for duration, 13 how often for frequency, and 14 how many for number, 15 and how far, how long, how often, how many, how much, isn't it? So we have what, when, where, which. When we have twice. That's why I was thinking what is, there are only 14 and instead we have got now this different, and that is a mistake in numbering, that's all. So I was thinking why 15. So you have got when twice. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. Again you missed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. Yes. How many? And 14, how much? Yes. How much? Sorry. Now that. How much? All the 14 question words are here. So what you do is, what we usually do is that what we do? You have a sentence. First you change it to an yes or no question. Then use the suitable question word. Select the suitable question word or appropriate question word and then use it. It becomes your yes or no question. Alright. Is that clear? This I just wanted to brush up your memory, and that's why all the 14 question words. Right? Okay. So now let's say it like that. They will be painting the wall. You want to get wall as the answer, then the question word is what. You cannot say who, because this is not a person, so what. Now what will you do? They will be painting. So take will and make it a will they be painting. Painting what? So the question word should be at the beginning. A question should begin with the question word. Very simple. So what will you do? What will they be painting? So here you have got the yes or no question, and here you have got the WH question. Very simple. Isn't it? Yes. Okay, we will do some more examples, and then it will be followed by an exercise. That exercise will make things clear, and also it will go deep in your brain and in your mind, so that you will never forget. Okay, so let's begin like this. Next one is she will be talking to the minister. So you want to get minister as the answer. So you know what is the question word whom. So this whom. So first you change it in a yes or no question. Will she be talking to whom? To whom? Will she be talking to whom? To whom? Will she be talking to whom? Now bring it here. Whom? Bring it here. Then whom will she be talking? Talking to or just talking will do. Or to whom will she be talking? It's also possible. To whom? Usually we don't do that. It's not necessary. Whom will she be talking? That's the one. Okay. And next. Let's do one more example, few more examples, then it will be a few more examples, then it will be alright. So what is the next one you want to do? So let's say like this. So they are preparing for the exams. They are preparing for the exams. Okay. So, they will be. Sorry, there is a mistake here. A big mistake. That is, we have to change now. This is present continuous. So you have to make it perfect. Very simple. You can do it like this. The students will be preparing for the exams. So you want what will be the answer you want to get for the exams? So this for the exam. This is it. So you answer for what? The question word is for what? And then you have got step 1 is change this into an yes or no question. Will the students be preparing for what? So that is. Now the for what you have to bring into the beginning. For what will the students be preparing? So that is yes or no, W is question. For what will the students be preparing? Alright, very good. Now another question, another example. You can suggest a sentence. Come on, you suggest a sentence. Your sentence, so that we can make it yes or no question. Right. So let's begin with when. You want to get time. Okay. You can say they will be arriving by. They will be arriving in the morning. So you want to get in the morning. So the answer, the question word is when. Now change this into an yes or no question. That will be will they be arriving when? When will they be arriving? So they will be arriving in the morning. The question is when will they be arriving? Simple, isn't it? Okay. So why don't you make one more sentence for who? Who? Okay. A question word, a question that should begin with who. So what should you do? You say he will be handling the classes. You want to get he as the answer. So for that you have to supply who. So in this case, as we have been seeing now, that when who comes, who is the subject. So there won't be any change for the sentence. So who will be handling, this is the only place where you have to be careful, handling the classes. Who will be handling the classes? So he will be handling the classes. When you have got who, then that is the subject place. So there is no need of any change or any transposition, means position changing and connected things. Hope it is clear to you. Let's say next one, say why. Let's have a question starting with why. Okay. So they will be coming late, late because of traffic problem, traffic jam. This is the only jam that you cannot spread on your bread. This jam you cannot use. No? It's an old joke. Yes. So they will be coming late because of traffic jam. So use why and make a question. Why will they be coming late? Simple. Why will they be coming late? That is, why will they be coming late? Clear? So you can use when, you can use why, you can use yes. Let's say one more, where. Can you make a question, give a sentence, an input sentence, so that we can have an output with where. They will be dancing in the hall. They will be dancing in the hall. So where? Will they be? Here where? Will they be dancing? Then where? Where will they be dancing? So where will they be dancing? You got the answer. So WH questions. So this is how you make WH questions. See? Let's say another one. How long? Let's have a question with how long. She will be working all day. How long? So all day. How long? The question will be, will she be working? Then, how long will she be working? Stop. Okay. Let's have a question with how much. How much? The boys will be spending too much money. So you can say, how much money will the boys be spending? How much money will the boys be spending? Okay. Then it's the girls will take 10 hours for completing their job. How many hours will the girls take for completing that job? So how much, how many? The hostess will be going to the films 5 days a week. So every day almost, on all working days. So how often will the hostess be going to the films? Question, how often? So like that you can make any questions, provided you have got, the key point you should have in your mind. You have a sentence, change that into yes or no question, then find out the appropriate question word, use the question word, and then bring the question word at the beginning. And we have been doing it so far. I hope that things are very clear. Tomorrow we will have an exercise based on this, and then sure and certain it will be at your fingertips. So how to make questions. If you make questions, then you can roll back and make it a statement. Isn't it? If you have got a statement, you can roll out into questions. This is very important when you do direct indirect speech. Bye. See you again. Is that all right?